So what is really Pfizer about? Pfizer is actually a global biopharmaceutical company where they research and develop biopharmaceutical products such as medicines and drugs to treat diseases, and they also manufacture and sell all these products to their clients such as the patients and also hospitals. The biopharmaceutical products that they produce are medicines, prescription drugs, and also vaccines like the COVID-19 vaccines. So they have actually two operating segments, which is mainly about biopharma and Pfizer Center 1. So biopharma in Pfizer, it means that they actually research, develop, and also manufacture medicines and drugs for various therapeutic areas or diseases such as oncology, cardiovascular, and also rare diseases. Whereas for Pfizer Center 1, it's actually a global contract development and manufacturing organization, which means that for this segment, they actually help other biopharmaceutical companies to develop and manufacture their own drug products. So in a way that other than doing research and manufacture their own products, they are helping other biopharmaceutical companies manufacture and also develop their drugs. So now let's look at their revenue. In 2022, they generated about 100.3 billion of USD. And we can see that majority of their revenue is actually coming from their biopharma segment. Then only 1.3% is actually from the Pfizer Center 1. So this is roughly how Pfizer generates revenue for their business. And now let's look at the numbers to have a quick understanding how Pfizer is doing financially. For their revenue, even though at first glance it looks like it's in an uptrend, but actually if you look in closely, you can see that since 2013, it's a slightly gentle downtrend until 2021. Because in 2020, where pandemic actually happens and Pfizer managed to produce the COVID vaccine, you can see that the revenue actually spiked up quite significantly. Then the following year, we see that actually for the EPS, it's actually on a gentle uptrend as well, even though there's some dips in certain years. And for their operating cash flow, it has a slightly downtrend before it has a sharp spike up in 2021, maybe because of the COVID vaccine as well. And another thing about their debt condition is that we can see that even though almost half of the year are above 0.5 and half of the year are below 0.5, but then the latest number is 0.33, which is below 0.5. So overall, here we are having a quick glance on how Pfizer is actually doing, but in our own in-house case study, we actually deep dive even further more on what happens to all these dips.